Hi guys, today I'm going to go to a PIN network meeting. The last one I went to was actually in Luton. This one is actually in Watford, so it's nearer to me and it's more convenient. Before going to the meeting, I've set up my own goal. My goal for this meeting is to actually go out and network, to find people and build my network up. It's also to possibly look at people for joint venture opportunities. So that's my goal to go to this meeting. And it's quite handy to have goals set beforehand so that you know where you want to go, why you're going to that network. So you have some sort of plan before you actually go out and execute. That's the best thing to go and do, is to set out a goal, why you want to go to that particular event. And at the end of it, see if you actually achieved what you've wanted to set out to achieve.